How to add text to a TikTok video. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. So once you're in the TikTok homepage, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. From here, go over to the media section at the bottom right corner. You can choose photos or videos from your camera roll. Select the video you want and then tap on Next at the bottom. On this screen, go to the Edit options on the right side and tap on the text icon. Then type in any text over here. You can change the font style and type of the text from here. You can also change the font color or the text alignment if you want. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Now tap and hold the text and select Set Duration. Here, you can drag and set the duration of the text. Then tap on the tick icon at the bottom. Then tap on Next to proceed. You can also set a caption and manage other settings here before posting it. Following these steps, you can easily add text to a TikTok video.